my honor.
Uganda Telecom has in the recent past faced several challenges of creditors and court battles over its inability to pay debts.
I thought this is the day that you're supposed to be shouting for joy. Yes. God has made it for us. We should be happy.
Today, the State Minister for Investment, Hon Evelyn Anite, has handed over Uganda Telecom assets to Uganda Telecommunications Corporation Limited, which include land, buildings, and network infrastructure. While handing over the assets, the minister said that since this company is now in the hands of Uganda, it is going to decrease on the rate of unemployment in the country.
The President's vision, my vision, Honorable Matia's vision is that we must not liquidate Uganda Telecom. What was our fear? Our fear is that we must have a national telecom first and foremost. Second, we have young children, young brothers and sisters, sons of Uganda working there that we must not cause unemployment.
The State Minister for ICT, Honorable Joy Nabosa Sebugwawo, noted that they are to use UTCL as a platform to reduce the cost of telecommunications in the country.
With this transaction, Ugandans now have a stake in one of the notable growth sectors in the country. On behalf of the Ministry of ICT and National Guidance and the Digital Transformation Program at large, I wish to affirm our commitment to use UTCL as a platform to reduce the cost of communication services in Uganda.
The new chairman, Board of Directors of UTCL, Dr. Grace Sekakubo, has pledged to render quality services to the public through investing in the latest technology, implementing digital ecosystem, among others.
Honorable Ministers knows what Uganda needs, and underline the word need. We do know what Uganda needs, because we are Ugandans and patriotic at that. We do know what the public wants. Underline the word public. Ugandans can expect a super launch of the new National Telecommunication Services Limited with very exciting products.
It should be noted that the company is now owned by the Ministry of Finance and the Ministry of ICT. Effective 30th November, all current employees shall cease to be employees of Uganda Telecom Administration and shall be employed by UTCL on fresh terms starting 1st December 2022.